Dr.
Hello, sir.
What other food can we eat besides the seagrass, other food that is available in this area?
I'm going to say right quick, which is a valid question. I've been taking everything away from you. I took rice, I took beans, I took sweet potatoes, I took all that stuff, carrots, because carrot is hog food. You give that to your hogs. You don't put that in your champion juicer, because I did that too. I bought a champion juicer for $145. And I used to juice tons of carrots. So what are we going to eat? Quinoa, Quinoa. I think I should go here. Oh boy, look at all this from yesterday. There it is. Quinoa, Quinoa. Quinoa. You could buy mushrooms. I specialize in mushroom. I consider myself a gourmet cook. When I wake up in the morning, the best breakfast that I've ever had in 35 years is 3 glasses of water. And I leave running for work. And I have a lot of work. I work 20 hours a day sometimes. 3 glasses of spring water, and you go to work. At noon, all you have to do is to buy yourself some fruits like seed grape, not seedless, grapes, maybe a pear or an apple if you want to. What else? 3 glasses of water again. When night comes in the evening, that's when you're going to eat that stuff. And it would be best if you eat what I'm going to give you at noon than in the evening, but you can't cook this at noon. You have quinoa. Quinoa is a natural grain that comes from South America. You could put quinoa, Quinoa. It's a natural grain. You get your portobello mushrooms. You could saute them with onions and bell pepper and tomatoes. That's your meat. The quinoa, you could just cook that like you cook rice. But while you're cooking it, you could add some condiments to it, like cumin, onions, and it tastes good. It's delicious, and it's light. Garlic, no, you don't want to poison the man. I mean, he's a young brother now. We need him. No garlic. Never use garlic in anything. So, you cook and you could steam your broccoli, and you eat your salad with your quinoa and your mushroom, and that's a big meal. And if you have problems, you eat it every day. I like to eat the same thing every day. Once in a while, I may add a new thing to it, but elephants eat the same thing every day, and he lives 400 years. Thank you, brother. Thank you very much.